Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, game memory error, please reboot and restart the game, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your game easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view advanced system settings, you're going to open it up, you're going to go into advanced here, then click settings, then click advanced here, go into change here, uncheck automatically manage paging file size, select your drive, click custom size here, set both initial and maximum size to 00 MB, click set here first, and after that you're going to click OK, and then it will ask you to restart your computer, and then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done restarting your computer, now when you try to play GTA 5, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.